Yes. So test which we can assess in standing. Okay. So
Equilibrium
first we will see some tests for non-equilibrium. Non-equilibrium. Okay. Please tell me the first test. Non-equilibrium. Can you please? The first test is finger nose test. Finger nose test. So before telling to a patient, before ask the patient to do this, you must explain him clearly. What do you mean by finger nose test? Finger, okay, your index finger touching the nose. Okay, you understood? So finger nose test. This looks very simple, but you must explain the patient properly. So first is in sitting posture. Okay, sitting posture. Now he has to lift his shoulder to 90 degrees of abduction. 90 degrees of abduction. Now close all your fingers. Now point your index finger. This is very important. If you ask any person to do finger nose, they will do here or they will do like this. But today he will do here. Okay. Tomorrow he will do here. Next day he will do like this. Okay. So for evaluation properly, you must take proper position. So for proper position, it is shoulder abduction in 90 degrees. And he has to look forward with neck aligned normally. Now you ask him to touch the nose, tip of the nose, not all nose. Tip of the nose. Or touch the tip of the nose with this finger. You should not move your shoulder. Okay, you should properly explain. No. Look forward. Okay, now do it. Now touch.
Touch the nose.
So he had some problem. Okay, he is not touching properly. He is going like this. Okay, so you want to take some at least 3 times. Do for 3 times. 3 times.
سوى 3 مرات يلا.
Oh. 3.
خل وجهك على قدام.
Okay, you just see the response. How you do? Okay? So this tip of the finger should touch the tip of the
راس الأصبع.
Tip of the finger should touch the tip of the nose. Generally, if there is any problem, they will do like this. They will do like this, or they will do go like this, or they will hit their nose. Okay, these are some problems which we can see. So the first test is what? The first test is what? Finger nose test. What is the position? Sitting. Okay, sitting, then shoulder in abduction of 90 degrees, then touching with the tip of the finger with tip of the nose. Okay, ask him to do it on both sides and see the difference. Okay, so this is the first test for coordination. What is the next? Finger to therapist finger. Now finger to therapist. Oh, can you move a little bit? Sit. Can you move a little bit? So now here, finger of patient to the finger of therapist. Okay. Now you must stand in front of the patient. The distance should be 1 arm distance. It should be 1 arm distance. Okay. This. You must stand. The therapist must stand in front of him. Okay. Now show the. Okay, your index finger. Okay, then again you can keep that 90 degrees of shoulder abduction, 90 degrees. Stand in front. Show the index finger of your and ask him to touch the index finger of your tip of the index finger, not touch here. Yeah. Yeah, you can bend your elbow, no problem. You can bend your elbow. No problem. But you must maintain that. Yeah. Then again back. Then again. Yeah. It can be, you can make like this, or if it is not, you can make little elbow flexion. But this is very important. The distance is very important. Okay? As a person to do this, okay, stand here. If some short, if any person short, you have to go little, or if they're long, you have to go, and you must show the finger and ask him again, touch the index finger to the index finger of your thumb. Okay? So this is finger to finger test.